Hey there everybody, this is Catherine Cummings. Quick little video on showing you how to get a Google Hangouts Meet started. So I'm just going to search Google Hangouts Meet and click on the very first link. All right, I'm not going to press on the Get Started button. I'm just going to go to Sign in the top right corner. It will prompt me for a domain name. At that point, I'm going to punch in www.palmbeachschools.org and press Go. This is actually going to take me to my G Suite dashboard. The only thing I'm interested in is this little icon that says Meet with the picture of the video camera. I'm going to press that. You'll be prompted to join or start a meeting, so I'm going to press Join or Start, and I'm going to give my meeting a nickname. In this case, I'll name it Office Hours. April 1st. Okay. Press Continue. The first thing that's going to pop up is, hi, that's me. Sorry, I'm having to film from my phone. Join now. All right, I'm going to copy this joining information. This is what you're going to want to share with your students. A good way to share that would be maybe through Google Classroom. Once I close this, if I was to have students join, whenever they seek approval or they join, there will be a little pop-up message that says, student A is trying to join, and you'll approve. If you look right here, there's a little people symbol. If you press on that, it'll list all of your participants. There's the chat option where you can add in any kind of information or messages. The great thing about this right here with the people is once your students are added, there will be a little drop down box, and with the drop down box you can select remove participant if they're being inappropriate, or you can mute them. Be aware that once you mute them, they are the only ones who can unmute themselves due to privacy issues. There is a caption option. It does actually a pretty good job of picking up your words and turning them into captions, so that's great for our ELL students. You may want to let them know. There is a Present Now button. I can't push that. Actually, I can. That's right. Okay, so if I wanted to present some slides, I could do Present Now, your entire screen, and then that way you select the picture of the screen, press Share, and then you can go to a slideshow on a different screen. It's loading. Oh, all right. Sorry, the lighting is just a little weird. So you could open up a slideshow, go through some slides, and narrate it with the students while they're live on Meet. Once you're done presenting, you can just stop presenting. It'll go back to your normal Hangout. This box right here is, you can always press this to get the joining information if you need access to it again. It looks like there is actually an attachment option too. I have not played with that, but that's good to know. These little 3 stacked dots, if you press on them, you have a few options here. Switch camera would switch the camera from being pointing in one direction to pointing in the other direction. I don't really see the point in using that unless I want to show the kids my dog. Okay, so switch that. What is cool in this menu is that you can record. So if I press Record Meeting, it will start recording the meeting. I can later post it to Google Classroom for students that weren't able to make it. Okay, except be aware of HIPAA laws, right? We don't want to publish this to the web if there are students that are actively participating. I can stop recording whenever I'm ready to stop recording. All right, and that's really it. Cool little thing that you can also do if you go to your Google Calendar is you can actually have Google Calendar just generate a link for you to use. So I'm going to go to Google Calendar and say I wanted to add office hours next Monday. I can click in the box, add a title to it, and then where it says add rooms, location, or conferencing, If you press add conferencing, it'll generate a Google Hangouts Meet link for you automatically, and you can share that with your students. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, email me, catherine.cummings@palmbeachschools.org. All right, bye.